Hey you, that's right, I'm talking to you. Do you know what it's like to be an onion? Do you know what it's like to be uprooted from your home and put in some strange bag and carried off to some market? You have no clue. You have absolutely no clue what it is to be an onion. And then you'll sit there and start cutting us up and cry. For what? What are you crying for? You don't fool me with those fake tears. And what are you squeezing us for? To see if I'm soft? I'm not soft. I saw what you did to my mama and papa. You know who I'm talking about. You know, Vidalia and Big Red. Vidalia, she was a sweet woman. And Big Red, well, they just cut him up and threw him in some salad. You people are horrible and despicable.